Let's start. Today we will see how to move HTML elements from one place to another with an animation using the CSS. In the body tag, we have several div tags. Each div tag has an ID. In the style tag, we have written the CSS. This is the common style of all the div tags. The animation name is move_animation. The animation duration is 5 seconds. And the animation will repeat infinitely. This is the actual animation. Here we move the div tag from 0 pixels to 400 pixels from the left. Now, for each div tag we have implemented separate animation timing functions like linear, ease, ease in, ease out, etc. So each animation will have a different speed. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, all the div tags move from left to right. But due to different animation timing functions, their speeds are different. So that's it. That's how you can move HTML elements from one spot to another with animation using CSS. Thank you.